Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on applying ordered pairs. One simple way of applying ordered pairs is to plot a set of given points, join them to form a shape, and then answer questions about the particular shape. Let's look at one example. Number 1. Plot the following points on the number plane to the right. These are the 4 points here. So we've plotted A, which is 4, 3. B was minus 4, 3. C was minus 4, minus 2. And D was 4, minus 2. And it says join the dots from A to B to C to D and back to A again. So we've gone from A to B to C to D and back to A again. So we've done that. The questions now are what shape is formed, how long is the base, how long is the height, and find the area in square units. So if we go to the next slide, we can answer those questions. Let's have a look. So when we had the question about the shape, we remembered it was a rectangle. And if we look closely at the diagram, the base is 8 units long. There it is there, see? If we start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the base, no problems. Then it had the height is 5 units long. So let's go back and look at the height. If we start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the height was 5 units long. Okay, so now we have that information, we have to find the area. So the area of any rectangle is the base times the height. So it's 8 units times 5 units, which is 40 square units. So there's one good example of how we've applied our knowledge of ordered pairs. Second example, very similar. We're asked to plot those 3 points and then join the dots, and I've done that here. I plotted A, which is minus 5, minus 2. B was 3 minus 2, and C was 1, 4. And I've joined them as per that direction. Now to find the area of the shape. Now if we remember from earlier videos, this is the base of the triangle, and that is the height. So the base is 8 units. If we start from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The perpendicular height is 6 units. If we start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We saw in earlier videos that the area of a triangle was half times the base times the perpendicular height, which is a half times 8 times 6, which is 24 square units. So this video has introduced us to some very basic ways of applying our knowledge of ordered pairs, and we've seen 2 examples involving a rectangle and a triangle.